Some things that really excite me about the program I'm in currently is I really like the multidisciplinary approach to craft and like making and design. I find that a multidisciplinary approach is a lot more beneficial for me as a person, as I like to have many skills or things that I can use at my disposal rather than maybe studying one thing.
For the BFA program, I decided on that one initially because I was going into college looking for a program that would offer me more hands-on experience and a lot more studio time. And between all of the different art majors that the college offers here, the BFA program was the one that offered like the most studio-intensive program. And that was exactly what I was looking for, was getting more time in the studios and working with professors and doing independent studies.
I chose this major a lot because there's so much freedom in the major. I mean, when you declare as a theater major, you don't have to pick an emphasis right away. It could be stage management or acting or directing. You enroll as a general theater major and then you're able to choose your focus. And so someone who is coming in who is not quite sure about what position in theater they want to try, this program gives you a great opportunity to try a bunch of different things and see what's right for you.
Yeah, so an opportunity that the department has is the ability to participate in university theater mainstage shows. So these are the big shows that the university puts on every year, and they do a great job of bringing in guest directors as well. So we're able to work with industry professionals who are super experienced and bring a broad range of directing and performance skills to the table.
Something that excites me about the UW dance department is all the performances that we get to partake in. We have so many opportunities to both be in performances that are made by the faculty members here, but then we also have a lot of opportunities to create works ourselves, to have our friends be in part of them, and they get to perform them in different concerts.
I grew up here and I loved dance. I auditioned, loved the space, loved the professors that auditioned me, and I instantly found a couple friends, and that's what made me decide to become a Badger.